one. Is it English? No, I think it's. I don't know. It's called Imagination. Oh, so cool.
Ooh. Who's this made by? Oh, Imaginary. Wow. This is the International Railway set.
Oh.
For ages 3 and above, so he is
Oh.
very, very advanced.
Yeah.
Way ahead.
Oh, there's a green one. Zoom, zoom. Zoom, zoom. So sad.